Yes, that's much more like it, isn't it? There we go. So this is made by Gables again, and it's got some nice big clunky connectors on the back. And what else has it got? It's got loads of dials on the front. So that's all quite nice. So these numbers, you can see they are kind of crusty and brown and nasty. Again, it looks like someone spilt coffee over the whole thing. I guess these pilots like their coffee. Yeah, let's take this one apart as well. Okay, fairly standard front panel. Nice little windows with anti-reflection coatings on them by the look of it. Well, if it wasn't so manky inside, it would be quite nice. Not silver Teflon wire, but something else. So here we go. Fairly standard looking control box for Gables Engineering, actually. Very much a similar construction as the previous ones we've seen. Multiple switches joined up with gears, with the rear one coupled back through this this little bar to the relevant displays. Yeah, shame it's so manky. Kind of makes it rather nasty to take apart. So there we go, quite a nice modular design. I'm not going to take these units apart any further. We've seen all this sort of stuff with previous Gables control boxes. It's all the same kind of thing. These type of 45-degree gears they use all over the place. Little lights to backlight the indicators and these wafer switches. There's not really a whole lot much else to see there. Here we've just got a couple of very standard rotary switches and some little potentiometers. So yeah, there we go. Another sort of rather manky but basically quite nice control boxes. Well, the second one was anyway. Hope you enjoyed it. There we go.